everybody, this is James and welcome back to Geekstronomy's unboxing videos. Today we are doing an unboxing of the Hallmark Keepsake Battlestar Galactica Cylon Raider. Hallmark came out with a Battlestar Galactica ornament a couple of years ago. I was kind of hoping that the next one would be the Viper, but I'm not crying that it is the Cylon Raider, because as long as they're making Battlestar Galactica ornaments, I don't care. This is from the 1970s Battlestar Galactica, and it comes in a whole plastic wrapped in tissue paper. This is the Cylon Raider that we saw Richard Hatch and Dirk Benedict go up against back in the day. I'm thinking in either Blood and Chrome or in one of the flashbacks of the updated Battlestar Galactica, we might have caught a glimpse of this fighter as well. As with all Hallmark Keepsake ornaments, this is highly detailed, quite beautiful. It is nicely balanced. This could be displayed year-round because it is, nothing screams Christmas about this. There are some people who have Christmas things out year-round anyway. This is perfect for the science fiction fan in your life, especially fans of Battlestar Galactica. There's not much out there for the Battlestar Galactica from the 70s. There was a brief toy line by Mattel, but other than the ships from Eagle Moss and the new ones coming out from Master Replicas, yeah, there's nothing. I heard something about this being hard to come by, so seriously, get to your Hallmark store now. I actually called my Hallmark store to find this, and they only had 2 in stock. They had to put one on the side for me. I paid $30 for it. It's worth it. I honestly think it is worth it. It'll look nice next to my Galactica. I'm just hoping that maybe next year we will get a Viper. Actually, I wish they'd do a whole line of Vipers from the 70s and from the updated Galactica. So this has been our unboxing of the... Well, here, let's do a quick measurement on it before I cut out. Okay, so this is about 4 inches across and just a little under 3 inches long. There'll be a print review too, and I'll get the exact measurements in there. But again, this has been our unboxing of the Battlestar Galactica Cylon Raider from the 1970s Battlestar Galactica. Get to your Hallmark store and pick it up now. It is, like I said, it is perfect for you or for any science fiction lover in your life. Please follow Geekstronomy on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, of course, and www.geekstronomy.com. This has been James saying, stay geeky.